Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cool your phone down while it's overheating for the Google Pixel 11. So first, what you guys want to do is close all of the background apps. So if you have any apps in the background, let me just quickly do that. If you have any apps in the background here, you want to scroll all the way here and click on clear all. You want to get rid of them. And once you get rid of them, what you guys want to do is drop the refresh rate from 120 to 60. So go to settings, now go to display and touch, and here what you guys want to do is scroll down, go over to smooth display and disable it. So I do not have overheating, so I'll keep it on, but if you do, then make sure to turn it off, and then make sure to turn off adaptive brightness, lower your brightness by default. And I'm not going to do that because it's gonna flicker in the camera, so I'm going to keep the adaptive brightness, but make sure to disable it. It's very important. And you can also check the battery settings. So once you have battery settings, you can go over and run the battery diagnostics. You can click on phone is very warm, and you can see the temperature. So as you guys can see, for me, this estimated temperature is typical with normal phone use. So that's what you guys can do here. Now the temperature sensor of earlier pixels is gone in this generation, so that's the big minus. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.